And whose job is it to enforce the rules in your building? Tier 1. What are your thoughts? Everybody's, just so you know. It's everybody's job to enforce the rules, Tier 1. A behavior plan for us as adults means that if a kid walks in the door and they have a hat on and you're not supposed to have a hat, I have to say to you, hey, take your hat off, you know the rules. Kid walks around the corner, what's that edgy kid gonna do? He's gonna put it right back on. He's gonna walk around the next corner and you're gonna say, hey, take your hat off, you know the rules, takes his hat off, walks around the corner, puts it right back on. The mistake that we make in consistent behavior management is that somebody will let that kid walk by them and not say a thing. Somebody will throw their hands up and say, ugh, kid never listens anyways. Nobody else gets on his back. And then what if you're the consistent one and you say, hey, you know the rules, take your hat off. And that kid says, you're the only one who ever gives me any grief. Nobody else ever calls me out on that. Which is really tragic. Because from a behavior standpoint in the brain, think about this. If you see a police officer's car in the median, there may be no one in it, but what do you automatically do? You slow down. You're going 45 and a 50, but you still slow down, right? Because they have used something so consistent that we respond to it immediately. So when we think these little rules, like take your hat off, put your cell phone away, slow down your feet, whatever rules we have or expectations in our building, when we think these are little rules that don't need to be enforced because we got bigger fish to fry, the reason we got bigger fish to fry is because we inconsistently enforce the little fish rules. Everybody has to call the kid out on it. You don't have to chase the kid down the hall and say, wait a second, I told you yesterday to take your, what's your name? And now you get like, oh, Bill Clinton. Now you go to battle with the kid. I'm not asking you to chase the kid around the corner to see if they took their hat off. All I'm asking you to do is to enforce it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.